So what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the Cutters S60 Shockskin gamer gloves. So I had the packaging, but I threw it away. So the first thing you notice is the Shockskin on the glove. For these gloves, Cutters worked with Shock Doctor. So as you can see, it's formulated so almost like you don't feel that the glove is on. The glove is on. It's contoured to the movement of the hand, and on the palm is a full C-tack C-tack palm. These are gloves they made for linebackers, fullbacks, running backs. I'd say you could add defensive line to that, because defensive linemen definitely need padding, and I personally like grip on my gloves, as I said in an earlier video, because it helps you grip on a jersey easier. So I'm going to put the glove on real quick for you guys. So this is what the glove looks like when you have it on. As you can see, you automatically see the Shockskin, and I think it definitely works. Doesn't really feel, can't really feel the glove that much. Again, full C-tack, you can hear the tag in this. I haven't yet to use these. I'll make a review on them in the next week or so when I use them. I play defensive tackle, mostly at the 3 technique, if you guys know what that is. And I play center. So I'm going to strap this up real quick just so you see how it looks. So this is what it looks like when it's strapped. So again, I like this because you can grip onto the jerseys easily, or the other players, make your blocks, or if you're a defensive lineman, you need to get off the block, shed the blocks on your way to hitting the quarterback or hitting the ball carrier. Definitely feel like this will give you this will help you with that a lot more than the HX80s that I reviewed. But I don't know yet. I'll have to try these out in practice. So yeah, these are my first thoughts, and so I purchased these at Sports Chalet. These are $55. If you have any questions until I make the review about anything, leave a comment below. So again, like and rate and give it a thumbs up, and yeah.